Our theme is a kids room. So coming to our first concept, we have chosen a concept of both a ball and a butterfly, since we have kept both a girl and a boy in our mind. So since we can't take a complete ball and a complete butterfly, we have given a half ball and the half butterfly wing over here. So this completes the importance for both the boy and the girl. We can't show partiality for both, right? So being dependent for both, we have given a ball and a butterfly wing. So coming to the entrance of the room, here is the entrance of the room. Once you see in the right side, this is the resting area, the sleeping area. So since there are two kids, we have given a girl bed and a boy bed. We can see these two side units over here, the small side units, and the dressing table for both. For them not to get separated, we have given both dressing tables. We actually didn't separate the girl area and boy area because we didn't want to separate our kids. So that is the reason we have just kept both aside. Then later, here is a small indoor play area where you can just play caroms, chess and everything. Coming this side, we have given two washrooms. Keeping again both girl and boy in mind, we have given two washrooms over here. This is the girl washroom and this is the boy washroom. And this is the wash basin area. This side is a study area. We have given two study tables for both the boy and the girl. Now coming to the colors of the room, we have basically chosen a pink for a girl and blue for a boy. So pinks and blues is all over the room. Coming to the flooring, we have separated, the whole room is divided into three levels. This is the flooring, the resting level, this is the play area, and this is the other area. So we have given, there are three steps in the room, the whole room. So for the flooring, we have given the whole color flooring over here. Idanta color flooring. For the bed area, it's a subtle color. The same thing continues in the landscape also. The play area is common for both. Though there is a different area, like girl likes to swing and all. Sometimes they like to play cricket, sometimes they like to play basketball. So there's cricket where boys play mostly, there's basketball where girls are playing these days mostly. Though they're separate, yet they are different, yet they are close by. They're separate and they're close by. So that is our main concept. Though we are separating them, we are keeping them, we're keeping them together. So this is a swimming pool, and this is a seating area where even parents can just come and just enjoy over here. And here is the ceiling. The ceiling, what we have done is we have taken all the kiddie concepts into consideration. We've taken all kiddie concepts into consideration and given the shapes of the ceiling. So even in the ceiling, we have given this main blue and pink colors. Basically, what all materials have we used is we have using foam board, cardboards, and we have used even the wallpapers, textures and everything.